Alright, what's going on everyone? I'm Tristan, and today in this video what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be going over some sneakers that I've recently gotten. I think I have 5 pairs here that I'm discussing, and it's around $1,000 unboxing just in terms of what I've sold these sneakers for, because I've sold all these but this pair, but we'll get into all that. Basically just some shoes I recently got to resell and just some ones that I've read recently coming in. And I'm going to keep doing more videos like this with cool sneakers that I get in that I'm reselling, and I think you guys are going to enjoy this little series where I keep unboxing more sneakers, more, so continue to resell more. So I hope you guys will enjoy this video. If y'all want more content like this, then feel free to go ahead and subscribe below. I'd appreciate that, and also drop a like in this video. Both would be dope. And yeah, sold all these except for these ones. So yeah, follow me on Instagram in the description if you want to. I'd really appreciate a follow on either of them. My reselling account too if you want to check out some deals. And yeah, pretty much all I gotta say. So let's get started. Alright, so I already put the box up for these, so I already put these on, but this is a personal cop. Obviously the rest of them, as I said, I already sold, but these are the Jordan what the 4s. I think these are dope. Jordan 4 is a dope model, and you can see these ones are like kind of mismatching. Like look at the sneakers, they're both different here, so you can see, like, maybe you can notice that, pretty cool. And then even on the back, you know, notice the clear differences. They switched up the sneaker really cool. Each one's different, individual, has its own style. I think that's pretty cool, and they use a pretty similar color scheme. They just use all the same colors, just like in a different order on both sneakers, and that's how it really works. So I think this is super dope. I had to pick this up for the personal collection. Definitely a little, like a little girl, you know, something cool, something different that I didn't even think was gonna look this good in person, but it does, and I'm glad that I got them. But yeah, definitely gonna, oh, see, that's why you don't mess with your sneakers while you're holding them. Just hold them and that's it. But yeah, definitely gonna start collecting the 4 model. They're comfy, they're durable, and just like a good Jordan sneaker that, you know, like I can wear, and I know like I won't beat these up. I'll actually try and keep them clean, and also, like, you know, they're more sturdy, so like you can get them a little dirty, clean them off. Maybe they even look okay with the dirty look, but I'm gonna try and keep these clean because these are dope. So Jordan with the 4 is definitely the first one I wanted to talk about. You can even see like the cool cage and all that, like, you know, like these are cool. Toe box, you know, not too much creasing. Got these very good condition off Grailed, so shout out the dude that sold to me. Look at the bottoms. These are clean. Just a little dirt, but pretty much like all the traction's still there. So whoever had these barely worn, but yeah, these are cool. So shout out the deal. I got these. I think I got these for $115. Huge steal. They go for like $200 retail. They go for around the retails $200. So I got these for way under market. But yeah, nice little pickup. Jordan what the 4s. All right, and next up, the next thing we got, I have another pair of these. I know a lot of people thought these were for the personal collection because my story posts, but they're not for the personal collection. I actually traded these for a pair of Yeezys, and then I sold those Yeezys. So I made some profit off the trade. Basically right here we got a 8 out, like he said it's an 8 out of 10, but I think it's more like a 9 out of 10 pair of Tokyo Revenge Storms. Like look at that, they're very clean. Shout out to Dropscop for these, of course, originally, but you know, then I bought it off someone I actually sold them to from the Dropscop chat, so that's pretty cool. But yeah, these are in great condition. I love this sneaker. Like look, like it can't even focus on it. That's how like shiny this is, but yeah, this is like a crazy sneaker. The leather and canvas, super dope. So I love these sneakers, and you know, I got my own pair, personal pair. Sadly my pair's way more dirty than this one, but I sold this pair. I didn't sell my pair. I don't think I was even going to be able to sell my pair, but I've cleaned mine up a lot, so I actually can wear them now, which I'm very happy about. But these ones are super clean. This guy Ben, the guy that sold me, kept an amazing job of keeping these super clean. So yeah, you know what I think? These are super nice. I don't regret selling them because I already got my pair, so it's cool. But yeah, I love these sneakers. Definitely, like, just Revenge Storms are super dope. Shout out to Con for these, and yeah, you know, these are cool. So that was the second pair of sneakers we got. This one for resale, or you know, I traded this pair, so this one's gonna be going out. I'm gonna be getting a pair of Yeezys in for it. Don't worry, don't think it's a bad trade or anything, because I made more money in the Sesames anyways, and they got these for the low, so don't worry, I'm always getting my deals. So second sneaker I want to talk about, I'll put it right there. Revenge Storms. Third sneaker we can talk about, this is a pair of Yeezy 500s, as you guys can see. So I'm going to open this box, y'all see that. And yeah, here's the Yeezy 500. I got these for super low also, but I sold them for a good deal to an international customer. Which, by the way, if you're watching this video, Ben, the guy that ordered them internationally, I'm shipping these tomorrow for you, big bro. I finally got a box that fit the pair of sneakers in the box with them, so you know, I was just waiting for that. But yeah, these are cool. This is like size 9, and you know, we just got some Yeezys, so you know, these are pretty good condition. You know, probably like a 7 or 8 out of 10, but you know, I still think they're pretty clean. These ones I feel like actually personally look a little bit better, a little beat up, so I don't think it's necessarily a bad thing that, you know, they're a little, just have some dirt on them that can be cleaned off fairly easy. But I think these are super dope. These are like the size of my hands. So yeah, this is like a smaller pair because I can just like grip this pair completely. So you know, yeah, you know, these are cool, and you know, just a pair of 500s. Like, you know, I don't know if I'd rock a pair of 500s personally, but like these are kind of clean. So you know, I mess with these 500s, but for me, I don't think I'm necessarily a guy that would rock 500s. So for me, this is something I just kind of like put in the box. I sold it, and yeah, you know, that's that's it. So pair of 500s. The next pair I want to talk to y'all about, we got a replacement box for it, but these are very comfortable. Of course, we got some Yeezy Sesames. Y'all can see that. Size 9, but I sold these, and you can see they're in all right condition. You know, decent condition, not too bad. But obviously Yeezys are very comfortable, especially the 350 model. So these Sesames, I'm sure the guy that's about to get them will enjoy them. I said I'm gonna hit him a tracking tonight, so hopefully I'm able to do that. But yeah, just a clean pair of sneakers. Been getting a lot of Yeezys in, as you guys probably noticed, but not like some people get in like 100 a week. Of course, you know, gotta think about those people. You know, keep yourself humbled, of course. But these are cool. You know, just something, and you know, we're gonna keep getting more pairs each week. That's the goal. So we got like 6-7 pairs this week. Got just a few in the video right here, but yeah, just a pair of Sesames. I mean, it's really nothing crazy. It's not like these super insane Yeezys like the Oreos or anything, which I'm gonna try and get a pair of Oreos for the personal and the sell, which would be dope. But yeah, just something like the Sesames right here. Had a little replacement box with them, and yeah, something cool. But this is not the last pair. Even though this could be the most comfy pair, Yeezy Boost lives up to the name, boys. It's extremely comfortable. Extremely comfortable. Just so clean, bro. Final pair of shoes we got a pair of 350s, and this might be the newest / nicest condition pair that we got. So we got some 350s, as you guys can tell. Maybe you can read the box right there. You can check that. So there's a little box. And then basically we got the pair of the Yeezy, the Yeezy Yeezy. You all know about these. This is a non-reflective pair, so this pair is not reflective, sadly. But it's still a very nice pair. And you know, I honestly did not think highly of these at first, but like these seem like they'd be very comfortable. And also, like I kind of messed, like when you look at the color scheme like more and more, I kind of messed with it a bit more. I mean, at first I was really not feeling these. I was like, I'm glad I sold these, dude. But the laces are reflective. Like you would take pictures in them, the laces light up, which is super cool. I mean, take a picture with the flash on, not just any ordinary picture. But these are nice. Like these are cool, in great condition. Like look at the bottoms of these. Like these are virtually unworn when I sold them. Like these are great condition. Like the dude probably wore these once. Like literally the tissue paper's back in them. Like these have not been taken out of the paper since I got them. So these are very, very nice. And yeah, just a pair of Yeezys. You know, we're gonna keep getting more, of course. This is just something slight that I sold. So you know, just another pair. And the final pair that I really want to discuss in the video, you know, just a size, I think this was 10.5, or I think it was 10.5, yeah, size 10.5 Yeezys I sold. So yeah, that's pretty much all sneakers. Sesames, Yeezys, Revenge Storms, What the Fours, and then we also had a pair of 500s that we talked about. So yeah, this one's pretty cool, but we're gonna put it up and you know, get it back in its box, of course. So yeah, that's pretty much the end of this video. $1,000 sneaker unboxing with a bunch of kicks. Let's roll that outro. Anyways, I hope y'all did enjoy this video. If y'all want more content like this, then feel free to go ahead and subscribe below and drop a like in this video. Just a little $1,000 sneaker unboxing, you know, dropped a rack, caught some kicks, sold them all, made some good profits, so that was pretty dope, and I'm happy about that. You know, I've just been getting a lot of sneakers in. I'm really trying to go on this reselling thing because I want to like get good at it so I can really show you all how like I do it, and like really show you all that like I'm not joking around. Like my methods that I show you all work, and that's what I'm trying to do. So I'm really just trying to grind also for the YouTube because I can do more cooler videos, you know, if I've been better at reselling, get more connections, you know, like that's the type of thing I'm trying to get on. So hopefully y'all see my vision, eye to eye, you know, type thing. But yeah, that's really all I gotta say. Follow me on Instagram in the description on either one if you want to. I'd appreciate that. And yeah, that's really all I got to say. So I hope you all did enjoy this video. Thank you all for watching. I'm Tristan, and I'll see y'all on the next one. Peace.